Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to show you how I install these 26-inch crochet locks. It's really simple. So I'm starting with blown out hair. My hair's being pretty stretched. I just find it easier to work with my hair when it's in this state. So I'm just parting my hair down the middle at the first half of my head. This is where my individuals will be. I'm going to do about 3 rows along the front and then going around the perimeter of my head. This makes the style a lot more versatile. So I'm just sectioning off my hair, as you can see. So with the individuals at the front of my head, I'll be using some gummy wax just to make it look a little bit more neater. And this wax is really good. It just lays down your hair so well. So I'm just doing individual braids in this front section of my head, and then I'll do it around the sides and the back. So for this install, I've chosen to do 3 rows of individuals at the front. This is just to make it more versatile and so I can do more styles with it. So now that I've finished plaiting all my individuals, here's how it looks. And I'm just going to take out that middle section and start to cane row my hair. Now I do it in a pattern where I do like an L shape cane row on one side, and then I do it again on the other side and join them together. And then as I've done that about 4 times, I then just do my cane row straight back and I connect it all into one braid. That probably doesn't make any sense, but I will show you how it looks like once I've finished, and hopefully you'll understand what I mean. So here's how my braiding pattern looks. As you can see, I've joined all my hair as I've gone along so that I'm just left with one braid at the end. And I'm just gonna sew this down so that it's tucked away. So the faux locks that I'm going to install are from AliExpress. I will leave the link down below. They are 26 inches in the color 1B27. So I'm just showing you how I attach my individuals at the front and around the sides and the back. So I begin by putting a crochet hook through the base of the braid, and I then grab the end of the faux lock and my hair through the faux lock, and this creates a nice secure base. I then put the crochet hook through the center of the faux lock and drag it up to the top, grab the end of my natural hair and pull it through. That way my natural hair is covered by the faux lock and it cannot be seen. So I keep repeating the last step until all my hair has been fed through the faux lock. So as you can see, this section of hair is a lot longer than the other section I did. So this will take slightly longer than the other faux lock because you're going to have to feed more hair down the faux lock. always make sure I do all my individuals first so that I know that I can use all the rest of the hair that I have left on my Cornrow section. So I'm just showing you how I do the Cornrow section. It's very simple. So I just feed the crochet hook through the base of the Cornrow, and then I pull it through, grab the crochet hair, and then grab the end of the crochet hair and feed it through the hole. I hope by looking at it, it makes a lot more sense. Doing this section of your hair during your crochet install is probably the quickest part and will only take about 30 minutes to an hour to complete. Your main aim when completing this section is to make sure that your Cornrows are nice and evenly covered so that there are no gaps. And here it is, here's the complete look. This probably took me about an hour and a half to do, with plaiting it and then installing it. So it's super quick to do. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave some comments down below. Let me know what you think, ask any questions, and subscribe to my channel for more.